Hello, welcome to my Upwork profile. Thank you so much for checking me out. I want to show you really quickly what it looks like to enter into a possible engagement with myself and my team. Transparency is my #1 goal. So I want to run you through what it looks like to go through a project with myself, and we'll go from there. So as you can see here, we use ClickUp to track all of our projects from beginning to end. Every single task, every single due date, every single developer, every single priority will be listed here. On day one of the engagement, you will be given a license into ClickUp so you can see and follow everything along the way from beginning to end of the project. You'll see here every single task is either set to do, in progress, blocked, what's the client testing, and what's been completed or moved to production. You'll see the developer that's assigned to it. You'll see the due date associated with each of those tasks as well as the priority. Inside of the task itself, you'll see a breakdown, quick overview of what the task is at hand, and then all the activity that goes along with that. So some of the tasks might be small, just quick 30-minute tasks. Some of them are much, much larger and involve some conversation back and forth. So in here, you'll be able to do that with the developer, myself, whoever's involved in the particular task, have that conversation here. Inside of ClickUp as well, you'll be able to see a Gantt chart, which shows all of the tasks broken down by date and when you can expect to see those things delivered. Along with ClickUp Access, something I like to do is set up either weekly or bi-weekly meetings with the client to make sure that we're all on the same page in terms of what's been delivered, what are we currently working on, what's blocked, what the client should be testing, what are we testing, what's been moved to production, what are our priorities. It's an hour to spend time together to make sure that the project is on track and we're all on the same page about what should be delivered and what should be delivered next. Along with ClickUp in these meetings, you'll be involved in the project along the way as much or as little as you'd prefer. And you'll have access to all of us to ask questions, understand where things are at, and so on and so forth. So if this is something you'd like to do, or if this is a partnership you'd like to engage in, feel free to send me a message. We'd love to get started. Whatever your project is at hand, we'll get together, we'll scope it out, and we'll begin the process. Thank you so much again for checking out this video. Appreciate it and have a wonderful day.